Alright, we have a trade recap. I just tried filming it and it did not work. It sucks. I did take a losing trade today, minus 333. I also had a break even. The second trade was a break even. Should have been a win. I was greedy. So this is the first trade. So coming to market open, pre-market swept London highs, put in this bearish SMT, and then put in another internal bearish SMT. And then we had this 1 minute get inversed. I took it off of that candle. Stops are above this high. Take profit right at this low. And as you can see, I got completely screwed on this. It came up, swept out this high, literally stopped me out by a couple ticks, and then dumped to my take profit. Now, it's not. This isn't the best way. The best way to start my funded account. It's not the happiest. But when you ask for me, I ask for all these things. Right? I pray to God. I'm asking for discipline. I'm asking for patience, and what he's doing is God's giving me the opportunities to actually become that type of person, and he's giving me the challenges I need to face. So I saw this and I accepted it. I didn't start revenge trading. I just accepted it, and that's improvement. So reason for this stop trade is because when I took the trade, the internal and the external model were aligned, but this was a 15-minute low. And it was very close to my entry point. So once we came and swept out the 15-minute low, that's what gave us that push up. So should have been aware of that. Should not have really taken this trade because I should have waited to see how we would react to the 15-minute low. Because again, we know that we go from external to internal. So I would not. This is not the best type of trade. But again, overall narrative was correct. So it's not the worst, not the best. I'm fine with that trade. I'm okay with this loss. It's just these are the type of losses that are just going to happen. You can't really avoid them. But the second trade that I took was off of, I was looking to go short base over here. But the reason I didn't do this is because I wanted to see an inversion because this risk reward wasn't really the best. Or it was actually not good at all. Could not have taken that. So that's why I didn't take that short. But I was looking for shorts there. But what I did see is that we came out and we took out these 4-hour lows, keeping in mind that we are inside of a bigger 4-hour rally gap. So I'm pretty bullish right now. And then what I see from there is we put in another SMT. Now we have a bullish SMT off this low. Okay. And then I go to the 1 minute. I see we have a 1 minute inversion. I do not want to take it out just off of this because it's not nearly enough confirmation for me. But what I do see is this 1 minute get left behind. And then I took it at the consequent encroachment right around here. Stop loss right here. And then this is where I got fucked. Okay, so this is the trade idea. This is what the trade should have been. And this is not what the trade was. What happened is I only let myself lose 550 in a day, right above 1%, a little bit above it. And so I risked 330 on the first, which is why I lost 330. And then this trade I had to risk around 170. And then that meant that this take profit was plus 380, which would have put me at a break even on the day. And my greedy fucking ass tried to go for the $200 day because it would have been pointless to further break even day. It would have just been a waste of my time. And then that's where the greed kicked in. We started displacing up, got really close to my first take profit. I put it right up here. This would have gotten me the $200 day right up here. And then, as you can see, it even came up to this high. So even if I was a little bit greedy, I would have still hit the trade. But I was too greedy, and it did not go. And then ended up stopping me out at break even. Yeah, Ethan, bro, when you're watching this back, you've done this so many times, Ethan. You've done this one too many times. Stop being greedy, bro. Take your internal liquidity. Just fucking take what you can get. You only need a piece of the pie. Take this. This isn't bad. This is good, bro. Okay? You were able to read price well today, obviously. Literally, the first trade was whipped out, and then this trade you were too greedy. So, very unfortunate day. Just need to tighten up on a couple of things. But, Ethan, what the fuck, bro? Sorry for swearing. It's just annoying because I've done this so many times where I'm just greedy. I literally went for a 3R. No, my stop loss was right here, actually. Because I couldn't, it was right here. So I was going for a 4.5R. Ethan, you don't need that, bro. I really gotta fucking tell this to myself because it's just so stupid. I don't know why I do this. Why? I was so focused on that $200 day that I wanted to go for this, and obviously it ended up getting hit, but that's after he came down, and I don't even know what the hell happened here. This is a fucking shitter. That's a Drake candle, and then this is, what the fuck? Like, price action was everywhere today, I can't lie. Not the best price action, but, you know, that's like bound to happen. Ethan, this is my original take profit, bro, and it got hit. And this is a 3 risk to reward. My ass wanted more than that, because even though it was a 3 risk to reward, I would have still been break even on the day, so I wanted to go for the $200 day. Like I said, this would have put me up around 120 on the day. So since I wanted the $200 day, I was, fuck it, I'm $80 away. I might as well just fucking go for it. So I put it up here. Ethan, don't do that again. But all in all, bro, not bad. Like, other than the little bit of greed you have to fix, this was a decent trade. I think that you could have waited for a little bit more instead of just this 1 minute. You could have waited for some more confirmations here. So next time, maybe be a bit more patient. This is at 10:53. Just be a little bit more patient. Maybe wait for like this CISD right here, and then, you know, after we had that CISD, you had this 1 minute filled. You could have taken it off of this, because this is also an inversion, off of this. Okay, stop loss could have been right below this swing low, and then you could have taken profit right at this high or something. So, you know, maybe be a little bit more patient. This wasn't the greatest, it wasn't the worst entry. Fine with it. So, Ethan, just tighten up on that. But other than that, I actually found that I've actually been, like, literally more